Hi, good evening, viewers. Mohammed Ashikan once again, and this is the last question on the multiple choice of mock exam 1, specimen paper 1, financial accounting. Bumbly Company extracted the trial balance for the year ended 31st December 2017. The total of the debits exceeded the credits by 300. Which of the following could explain the imbalance? Now, if you look into the trial balance, see, normally the normal understanding is that if I have a total of the debit side 1300, the credit side total also I must have 1300. This is the normal expectation of the trial balance. Whereas in this question what they are saying is that the debit side total is exceeding 300 compared to credit side total. The difference here is 300. This is what they are saying. So now we need to find out what could be the reason for this. First one, sales of 300 were omitted from the sales day book. Now we have to understand correctly that the sales day book transactions are prior to double entry. So if this is the double entry interjunction, anything happens here will not have any impact to the TB. No impact to TB what is happening prior to double entry. Therefore, what they are saying on the first answer is not the correct answer. Written out inwards of 150 were extracted to the debit column of the trial balance. Now what is written out inwards is that when you sell something and the customer is returning back to you, that is written inwards. The correct double entry will be, you actually have to debit, return inwards, and then you credit to receivable. This is the correct double entry. Anyway, what the answer saying also the same thing. So that is not the answer that we are looking at. Third one, discount received of 150 extracted to debit column of the trial balance. The correct double entry for discount received will be, you debit to payable and then credit to discount received. This is the correct entry. Whereas what they have done, they have taken this into debit. So therefore, a correct credit of 150 has been posted to debit 150. So the impact here is 300 would exceed the debit. So therefore, answer is third one. Fourth answer, the bank ledger account did not agree with the bank statement by debit of 300. This has got nothing to do with the trial balance. This is an information that we need to prepare bank reconciliation statement. This is the answer for question number 35, and that concludes all the questions of mock paper 1. So I will continue with in the next videos about the second part of B section of the mock paper, which has 2 questions. This I will discuss separately. Thank you so much.